guys, welcome to I'm gonna say a model kit builds video. And what you see before you, if you have seen my reviews in the action figure reviews that I do, these are my two Gundam Universe figures, my Zaku 2 and my Ex8. Now, of course, I just kind of opened these up, threw them accessories on, put them on display down with my kits that I have on display, and that was the extent of it. But I thought today what would be fun, and something I could make a little video on, is a minor bit of detail up. Now, of course, if someone wanted to, yes, they could go all out and totally repaint these, make them super duper accurate and detailed, blah 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 blah. I, however, am not that person. I don't really care about how accurate it is. I think they're nice looking figures as they are, but what I'm going to do is my friend, the panel lining pen. That's what this is going to be video wise all about. I'm going to panel line each one of these up, and then we'll see how they look afterwards. Just as a kind of video to show you, that a minimal amount of detail can really go a long ways, And yes, this is my pen that I use. It is a black Sharpie. I don't have Gundam markers or any of that kind of expensive detailing up types of things. So that's what I use. That's what I've used on all of my kits. I always panel line all my kits with a Sharpie, and it works for me, So let's get started, and I think we'll start with the Ex8. Okay, so at this point I just wanted to show like a little half and half here. I mean, some of it's a little more than half, but you can kind of see where like on the shoulders there, how it looks just a little bit better with that touch of black in there. And yes, my lines are not that clean. Don't get in a fuss about it. I personally don't care, even if I'm sharing this on the internet. If you're gonna leave mean comments about it, don't, because you will get blocked. So yeah, just thought I'd show you the half and half here on this guy. And you see the undetailed and the detailed. Looks a lot better with that little bit of panel lining. But I will finish him at my own time. I'm gonna do a little bit to the Zaku and show that here, so let's get back to it. Alright, and here we are with our Zaku 2, half detailed up here. Let's get a zoom in. As you can see, this one definitely brings out the deets. I mean, just look at the difference in the legs. I mean, there's so much detail in them that you just wouldn't see. Oh, I guess I missed a few things, but you get the point about it, though. I mean, look at that. I mean, even coming up in here, you know, you get the small pieces there. You get the section on the shield. Of course, the hoses benefit also from the panel lining as well. Weapons didn't really benefit that much. It's a little bit on there, but yeah. Same with the Ex8, didn't have much going on weapon-wise. I mean, there's a little bit there. But yeah, so as I said, I'm going to finish these guys up on my own. Just again, it's just another thing to show you when it comes to like these Gundam Universe figures that sure, out of the package they may not look like much, but you know, you can do simple customizing like this, or you could go all out and repaint and do all that if you wanted to. It's totally up to you. So that's just what I wanted to do. So thank you for watching and goodbye.